Are you also stuck in your routine and you're within someone who are trying to restart their fitness journey? If yes, then this video is only for you. So let's keep it simple and get moving to the video. I'm not going to waste a single penny of time. Okay, so there are 5 easy workouts which you can do anywhere, literally anywhere. You're not going to need any equipment. These are beginner friendly, these have zero noises, and you'll feel great afterwards for sure. All you have to do is to start slow, stay consistent, and trust the process. Just believe me, patience and consistency is the only factor, or you can say only magic things in the workout life. So we are starting with our first exercise. These are very basic exercises. You have heard a lot about them. These are push-ups. What are the function of push-ups? They target your primarily chest, the pectoral muscles, the shoulders, and the arms. All you have to do is to keep your back straight, elbows tucked, and go controlled. Even if you are able to do 5 clean reps, you are making a difference, and we are proud of you. So all you have to do is to take your time and perform a clean and steady reps of push-ups. Now next we are moving to a very common exercises which everyone dreamed of, the OG muscle group. These are the abdominal muscles, and you have to do crunches. The procedure is very simple. Lie down, lift your chest slightly, and feel the tension in your core. Remember, you have to feel the tension in your core. Don't yank your neck. Okay, the yanking the neck causes very lot of injuries in the people. And at the same time, control the movement and breathe out as you come up. Remember, while training your abs, in my whole journey I've learned the abdominal training requires a very good breath control. Now we'll move to the another exercise for the abdominal muscles. These are going to be our plank. Plank are a very easy exercise, but not when performing. These are very time taking and conservative exercises. All you have to do is to elbows under your shoulders, core tight and body straight, and this one builds strength from the inside. Remember, crunches are going to give you that shape, but plank will give you strength from inside. Stay still and stay strong. All right, so we have developed a really good upper body. Now we're moving to the lower body, and it's time for squats. How do we do the squats? Okay, we have feet shoulder width, hips back, knees out, and feel your legs powered. This is your basic stance. Don't rush. Remember, we don't have to rush. Every rep should feel solid. Each rep should be steady and clean. Okay. Remember, while performing any of the exercises, don't focus on the clarity. You have to focus on the quality. Okay. The rep you're performing should be clean and sturdy. You have to feel your muscle. And now it's time to take your umbrellas or something. If you're leaving, I don't know where do you live, but it's time to move outdoor and just go for a run outside. Okay, it doesn't matter how far or how fast, just breathe in, breathe out, and just move. Sometimes that's all your mind and body need. Running is a very good exercise, trust me. Whether it's a fat loss or muscle gain, it builds a very huge amount of stamina, and it trains your lungs very well and your leg muscles too. And these are the 5 exercises, and trust me, if you have made it this far, you've already won. This is just the beginning. People just don't start yet. And yeah, I know that it's been a long time since I've uploaded, and yeah, life got in the way like it does for many of us. But yeah, today I'm back, and trust me, new videos, new better content, and a consistent journey starting now. So yeah, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe if you're with me. Let's grow together.